Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of economics of class ninth. In the previous video, we have learnt about the story of Sakal and Vilas. In this video, we are going to discuss about the economic activities by men and women. Activities which add value to the national income are called economic activities. We can also call it as market activities. There are three sector or group of economic activities. First, primary sector, second, secondary sector, and third, tertiary sector. Primary sector. All activities which harvest or extract natural products from the earth or natural resources are classified as primary sector, such as agriculture, dairy farming, fishery, forestry, animal husbandry, poultry farming, mining, and quarrying. Second, secondary sector. Using products resulting from activities in the primary sector for manufacturing of finished goods are categorized or classified as secondary sector. All manufacturing process and constructional activities are included in the secondary sector. Third, tertiary sector. All activities which support the primary and secondary sectors are classified as tertiary sector or are classified in tertiary sector. These include trade, transportation, communication, sales and services, education, health, tourism, banking, insurance, legal services, government, etc. Economic activities have two parts. First, market activities. Second, non-market activities. Market activities. These activities involve remuneration to the person who performs an activity for pay or profit. For example, production of goods or services, including government services. Next, non-market activities. These activities are not paid, as production of these activities is for self-consumption or self-use or other non-remunerative activities, such as women doing domestic work, looking after children are non-market activities, while men working in the fields earning money which they spend on rearing their families are market activities. Due to historical and cultural reasons, there is division of labor between men and women in the family or in the same family. Education and skill are the major determinants of earning of any individual in the market. A majority of women have meager education and low skill compared to men. Most women work in primary sector which lacks job security, legal protection and provides irregular and low income. There is also absence of basic facilities like maternity leave, child care leave and other social security system. On the other hand, women with high education and skill are paid equally as men. Among the organized sector, teaching and media attract the women most. In the next video, we will discuss about quality of population.